Hello everyone, welcome to 816. On our today's lesson, I'm going to explain how we are going to determine the value of the variable that is involved in this polynomial function. So, if you are a new member of my YouTube channel, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe 816. Well, now let's look how we are going to do this problem. So, I think I have just done many similar problems on our previous video. So if you want to know more, you can look my previous video to understand a bit more how we are going to do for this kind of just some complex questions. So I think this question is really important for those who are really interested to just try scholars in Turkey. That means there are these kind of questions in Turkish University for interesting exams. So if you are interested to join there, please try to watch my video and you can just look these kind of problems and you can easily do the problems for entrance of Turkey University. So well, now let's see how we are going to do this problem. At the very beginning, what is given here is that you have already given p of x minus 1 is divisible by x minus 2. Is that when this is divided by for this linear polynomial, when the polynomial is divided by the linear polynomial this one, the remainder is this one. Is that the remainder is this one. First, before I try to solve this problem, let me say or let me explain what is a polynomial division algorithm or polynomial division theorem mean. For example, we can have a polynomial p of x and let's have another polynomial p of x. When one polynomial p of x is divided by this one, as you know, we can have q of x equation and the remainder r of x, which is given by this way. That we call this is polynomial division algorithm or polynomial division theorem. So when we multiply both sides by g of x, and it is going to be given by p of x is given by q of x times g of x plus r of x. So this is the principle of the theorem that we have to know when we are just defining polynomial division algorithm. This is a polynomial division algorithm theorem. So based on this, let's try how this question will be solved. So p of x here is what? P of x minus 1 is, you can consider as this one, and x minus 2 consider as this, and the remainder is obviously 2. That 8. So this is given by p of this means p of x minus 1 is immediately given by, and you know g of x, the divisor is x minus 2. So x minus 2 times q of x plus what? What's the remainder here? Which is absolutely 8. We have this relation. So once you have this relation, what you're going to have, for example, if x is already, if x is 2, what will be this one? So this implies that if you directly plug the 0 for the divisor, what is the 0 for the divisor? The 0 for the divisor means the value of x that makes this linear polynomial is 0. So when you just find the 0 for this, as is 2. So when you plug 2 here, this will be p of 2 minus 1 is given by 2 minus 2 q of x plus 8. So this is the result. And now this implies that p of 1 will be what? Because the difference of this is 1 and it is absolutely 0, which is given by 8. You see? That means when we plug directly 1 in the polynomial function p of x, in the polynomial function p of x, our remainder is going to be 8. But what do we have here? So let's come back to the first problem. So when we come to here, what is given here? We have p of x plus 1, which is this one. What is given here? P of x plus 1 is given. P of x plus 1, which is already x squared minus ax plus 6 plus b. Is that? So our objective is how can we find the value of b? In order to find the value of b, since p of 1 is already 8, since P of 1 is 8 mean when we just plug or when we insert 1 in the polynomial function P of x, our remainder is always 8. Is that? Our remainder is always 8. Or else, when we just divide the polynomial for the polynomial for the linear polynomial x minus 1. When we divide the polynomial P of x for the linear polynomial x minus 1, our remainder is going to be, we have some Q of x equation, plus remainder is 8 over x minus 1. It's says like that. That means the general concept about this one is this one. The general concept about this point is this one. When we divide the polynomial P of x for this one, our general polynomial division algorithm will be given this way. And here from this, now we can describe this point. P of 1 8 mean when we just make this one equal to this one. Is that means P of 1 this one mean we have to plug in place of x plus 1. That means when we do this problem, x plus 1 should be 1. Is that? So this implies that x is equal to 0. Is that? X is equal to 0. That means for x is equal to 0, now P of x plus 1 will be P of 1. And therefore, let's come back again here. P of, when we plug 0 here, we have 0 plus 1. Is that? Which is perfectly P of 1, which is perfectly 8. Is that? So, since I have plugged 0 in place of x, again I have to plug 0 here. Is that? Because these are the same. And now this implies that, again, this is equal to, when you plug 0 in place of this one, 0 square minus 8 times 0 plus 6 plus b. Is that? So therefore, from here, what we're going to have? P of this mean P of 1, this mean 8. And this should be the same. Is that? So this implies that 0 square is 0 minus 8 times 0 is 0 plus 6 plus 8, which is b, which is exactly 8. Is that? So this implies that 6 plus b is absolutely 8. Now when we solve b, and b will be 8 minus 6, which is perfectly 2. So this is the value for 2, which is solved from the given equation. So generally, if you look at this problem, I think this problem is very important and very nice question, is that? And very nice and tricky, and also it is very now important to do, especially for any polynomial that seems to be complex but it is easy question. You are asked just to think a bit just critically. That? So now this is all about how to this lesson. Maybe if you have any questions, suggestions regarding this one and some other lessons, please welcome and please write your comment under the comment box. Thank you for watching. Thank you. If you are a new member of my YouTube channel again, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. 816. We're going to meet in the next lesson with another very important topic and with another very important questions. Maybe if you want to have, if you just want have more lesson, more just solve problems, please try to comment to me and I'll try to do based on your interest. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.